Vegetarian food is a delicious and healthy way to enjoy your meals. It's all about fresh vegetables, fruits, and grains. You can use meat substitutes or you can skip them. One great thing about vegetarian food is that it's super healthy. It's full of vitamins and minerals to keep you feeling great. Plus, it can be really easy to make. Lots of people are trying vegetarian recipes. They are discovering new flavors and enjoying the health benefits. Ready to explore the world of vegetarian cooking? Let's get started. Are you ready to cook some amazing vegetarian dishes? I've got you covered. These recipes are simple, flavorful, and perfect for beginners. First up, we have a spicy tofu scramble that's perfect for breakfast. Then, we'll move on to a hearty lentil soup that will warm you up on a chilly evening. And for a taste of spring, try the veggie pasta primavera. It's bursting with fresh flavors. Get ready to impress yourself and your family with these easy vegetarian recipes. Let's start our vegetarian journey with a breakfast classic scrambled eggs. But with a twist. Instead of using traditional eggs, we'll be making a delicious and nutritious tofu scramble. This plant-based alternative is perfect for those looking to reduce their cholesterol intake or simply try something new and exciting for breakfast. We'll be using tofu for a healthy and delicious alternative. Tofu is a versatile ingredient that absorbs flavors well and provides a great texture similar to scrambled eggs. Plus, it's packed with protein, making it a fantastic way to start your day. To begin, you'll need 1 package of firm tofu. Make sure to drain it well and then crumble it into small pieces. Next, prepare 1/4 cup of chopped onion. The onion will add a nice sweetness and depth of flavor to our scramble. You'll also need 1/4 cup of chopped green pepper. Green peppers are not only colorful, but also add a fresh, slightly bitter taste that complements the tofu perfectly. Don't forget 1/4 cup of chopped red pepper. The red pepper adds a touch of sweetness and a vibrant color to our dish. For seasoning, we'll use 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. These spices will give our tofu scramble a nice kick and a savory flavor. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste. These basic seasonings will enhance all the other flavors in the dish. Now let's get cooking. Step 1. Heat a large skillet over medium heat. It's important to use a large skillet so that all the ingredients have enough space to cook evenly. Step 2. Add the chopped onion and peppers to the skillet. Cook them until they are softened, which should take about 5-7 minutes. This will help to release their natural flavors and make them tender. Step 3. Stir in the crumbled tofu, chili powder, and garlic powder. Make sure to mix everything well so that the tofu is evenly coated with the spices. This will ensure that every bite is flavorful. Step 4. Cook the tofu scramble, stirring frequently until it is heated through. This should take about 5-10 minutes. The tofu will start to turn a light golden color and absorb all the delicious flavors from the spices and vegetables. Step 5. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Give it a quick taste test and adjust the seasoning if needed. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it away, so start with a little and add more if necessary. Finally, serve your spicy tofu scramble with whole wheat toast or a side of fresh fruit for a complete and satisfying breakfast. The whole wheat toast adds a nice crunch and additional fiber, while the fresh fruit provides a sweet and refreshing contrast to the savory scramble. Enjoy your healthy and delicious breakfast treat. This hearty lentil soup is perfect for a cozy night in. Imagine coming home after a long day, the chill of the evening air still clinging to your coat, and being greeted by the comforting aroma of a pot of soup simmering on the stove. It's the kind of meal that wraps you in warmth and makes you feel at home. It's packed with protein and fiber, making it a healthy and satisfying meal. Lentils are not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. They are a great source of plant-based protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. The fiber content helps in maintaining a healthy digestive system, keeping you full and satisfied for longer periods. To make this soup, you'll need a few simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 carrots chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and 4 cups of vegetable broth. These ingredients come together to create a flavorful base for the soup. 1 cup of red lentils, rinsed. Red lentils are perfect for this recipe because they cook quickly and break down to create a creamy texture without the need for blending. Salt and pepper to taste. These simple seasonings enhance the natural flavors of the vegetables and lentils, making the soup even more delicious. Let's get started. First, heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. The oil will help to sauté the vegetables, releasing their flavors and creating a rich base for the soup. Next, add the chopped onion, carrots, and celery to the pot. Sauté them until they start to soften, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, add the dried thyme and cumin. These spices add a warm, earthy flavor that complements the sweetness of the carrots and the savory taste of the onions and celery. Once the vegetables are softened and fragrant, pour in the vegetable broth and add the rinsed lentils. Stir everything together to combine. The broth will help to cook the lentils and meld all the flavors together. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the lentils are tender. As the soup simmers, the lentils will absorb the flavors of the broth and spices, becoming soft and creamy. Finally, season the soup with salt and pepper to taste. This final step is crucial as it brings all the flavors together, making the soup taste just right. Serve your hearty lentil soup with a crusty bread for dipping. The bread adds a delightful crunch and is perfect for soaking up the flavorful broth. Enjoy this warm and satisfying meal with your loved ones, and let it bring comfort and joy to your table. Section 5. Veggie Pasta Primavera, a taste of spring. This dish is a vibrant and delightful way to welcome the new season, bringing a burst of color and flavor to your table. This veggie pasta primavera is a celebration of fresh vegetables. It's a dish that truly embodies the essence of spring, with its bright, crisp vegetables and light, refreshing flavors. It's light, flavorful, and perfect for a quick and easy weeknight meal. Whether you're cooking for yourself or for your family, this dish is sure to please everyone at the table. To make this delightful dish, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 pound of pasta of your choice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 cup of broccoli florets, 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, and 1 cup of cherry tomatoes halved. The cherry tomatoes add a burst of sweetness and color to the dish, making it not only delicious but also visually appealing. You'll also need half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. This will add a rich, savory flavor that complements the fresh vegetables perfectly. And of course, don't forget the salt and pepper to taste. These simple seasonings will enhance the natural flavors of the vegetables and bring the whole dish together. First, cook the pasta according to the package directions. Make sure to cook it until it's al dente, so it has a nice, firm texture that will hold up well with the vegetables. While the pasta is cooking, heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. The olive oil will add a lovely, subtle flavor to the vegetables as they cook. Add the broccoli, mushrooms, and cherry tomatoes to the skillet. Cook them until they are tender crisp, which means they should be cooked through, but still have a bit of bite to them. This will ensure that the vegetables retain their vibrant color and fresh flavor. Then, drain the pasta and add it to the skillet with the vegetables. Toss everything together to combine, making sure the pasta is evenly coated with the olive oil and the vegetables are well distributed throughout. Stir in the Parmesan cheese. As the cheese melts, it will create a creamy, flavorful sauce that brings all the ingredients together in a harmonious blend. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste. This final touch will enhance all the flavors and make the dish truly irresistible. Serve your veggie pasta primavera with a sprinkle of fresh parsley. The parsley adds a pop of color and a fresh, herbaceous note that perfectly complements the dish. Enjoy this taste of spring with every bite. Section 6. Tips and tricks for Bevetarian beginners. Starting a Bevetarian journey is exciting. Here are some tips to make your transition smooth and enjoyable. Experiment with spices. Don't be afraid to try new spices and herbs to add flavor to your dishes. Explore meat substitutes. Tofu, tempeh, and seitan are great meat alternatives. Plan your meals. Planning your meals in advance will help you stay on track and avoid unhealthy choices. Remember, Bevetarian cooking is all about trying new things and finding what you enjoy the most. Section 7. Common mistakes to avoid in Bevetarian cooking. Even seasoned cooks make mistakes. Here are a few common ones to avoid in Bevetarian cooking. Overcooking vegetables. Vegetables should be cooked until tender crisp to retain their nutrients and flavor. Not using enough seasoning. Don't be shy with the salt, pepper, and spices. Not planning ahead. Bevetarian meals often require some planning, especially if you're using beans or lentils. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be well on your way to creating delicious and satisfying Bevetarian meals. Section 8. Embrace the Bevetarian lifestyle. Incorporating vegetarian meals into your diet is a delicious way to improve your health and well-being. You'll be amazed at how easy and enjoyable it can be. So why not give it a try? Start with one of these simple recipes and see for yourself. Section 9. Conclusion. Enjoy the flavor and benefits. Vegetarian food is a world of flavor waiting to be explored. With these easy recipes and helpful tips, you can enjoy delicious and healthy meals every day. Remember to have fun, experiment with new ingredients, and savor the flavors of your vegetarian creations.